I'm going to talk about inflation. In November, we saw strong economic growth data from the US and from the Eurozone. The Bank of England also raised rates for the first time in 10 years, citing a resilient economy and higher inflation. Inflation in the UK is currently running at about 3% per year. That's above the Bank of England's target of 2% per year. We think that inflation is peaking currently and will begin to fall in the UK in 2018. Inflation remains low in other developed market countries. In the US, it's currently 2%. In the Eurozone, it's 1.5%. And in Japan, inflation is only 0.7%. Historically, the combination of low unemployment and good economic growth has led to higher wages and higher inflation. In the US, outgoing Federal Reserve Chair Janet Yellen has described the low inflation in the US over the last few years as a mystery. Some possible explanations for it are the technological innovations that have reduced costs, lower energy prices, price competition in sectors, specifically telecommunications and food retail, and lastly, globalization, which has made it easier to buy cheaper goods manufactured in emerging markets. Markets are forecasting inflation to remain low in 2018. But if inflation is higher than expected, it could have a significant impact. For that reason, it's something that we'll be watching closely in 2018.